Greetings! A table of contents provides a structured overview and quick navigation. While Excel doesn't have a built-in TOC feature, you can create one manually. Create a new sheet in your workbook and name it TOC. Format the TOC sheet as displayed. In the Sheet's Names column, type sheet names. Type the hyperlink function in the Navigation Links column. The function uses a reference to the first cell of the target sheet. Press Enter. A hyperlink has been created for the target sheet. Repeat steps to create hyperlinks for other sheet. Clicking on the links will redirect you to the target sheet.